Alexei Batursky returns to Piccadilly's Fine Art Galleries May 20th and 21st for his 6th one-man show. Over 65 works of art will be available, from original oils and acrylics to limited edition giclées. Mark your calendars for May 20th and 21st. One of his newest works for our May show is called Bon Appetit. This work has an image size of 20 by 20 and is being offered at the unframed price of $9.75. If you pre-order this work, Piccadilly's will provide you with free framing, a $400 value. Order your piece today. Offer expires at the end of April. For more show details, visit our Alexei Batursky Gallery at piccadillys.com and read all about the upcoming event. With free shipping, a 90-day cashback refund, and a free frame, you just can't go wrong. No wonder Piccadilly's Fine Art is one of Batursky's largest galleries in the country. Place your order today. Call 888-579-4300. Thanks for visiting Piccadilly's Fine Art Galleries.